Hey guys, I had an email the other day and someone was asking if it was possible to make car emblems using the Lost PLA Casting method, and my answer was, of course, yes. If I had an original emblem to hand, my first choice would probably be Lost Wax Casting, but without one, there's an amazing number of 3D print files out there. Thingiverse is an obvious place to start. I also had a go at making one of my own, using Fusion 360. Here I've printed a Volkswagen, Porsche, Mercedes, Toyota and Ford. Now they're just examples, and it's worth noting that none of these are actually to scale. I edited a few of the 3D files to include sprues on the prints. For best results, good preparation is important, sanding away the printer lines and filling in any voids with wax. But as this was a demonstration, I didn't do too much of that in honesty. I designed a sprue base in Fusion 360 to incorporate a pouring basin and tapered sprue arrangement. I also included square recesses to receive some pegs. The PLA casting tree gets covered in investment plaster. It's cooked for several hours according to the manufacturer's guidelines. I do this in my homemade electric foundry, and during this time the PLA and wax melt away. I completely cocked this one up. I'm still experimenting with the media in my vibration tumbler. At the moment it's sand and a little steel shot. I'm not looking for polishing here, just something to remove any stubborn plaster. And here you go guys, car emblems cast using the Lost PLA method. They're not to scale, but you get the idea. And whilst you might think bronze is the wrong colour, bronze is an ideal metal to have chrome plated. So I hope you enjoyed this one guys. Take care and thanks for watching.